Hello everyone, I am here to show you some physical and fitness activities, and today I am going to show you some yoga exercises. It is time to roll out your yoga mat and discover the combination of physical and mental exercises that's for thousands of years hooked by yoga practitioners around the globe. The beauty of yoga is that you don't have to be a yogi or yogini to reap the benefits. Whether you are young or old, overweight or fit, the yoga will calm your mind and strengthen your body. Don't be frightened with the yoga terminology, fancy yoga studios, and the complicated yoga postures. Yoga is for everyone. Let's start with the basic yogic breathing. That's called abdominal breathing. Sit in a relaxed posture. Keep your back straight and look straight. Take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out completely only through your nose. Now concentrate on your abdomen. When you are breathing in, you have to expand your stomach, and when you are breathing out, you have to contract, or you have to make your stomach empty inside. We will practice. Expand your stomach. When you breathe out, contract. Make it inside maximum. Tighten your stomach. Repeat 3 or 7 times up to your convenience. Let's go for alternate nostril breathing. In yogic term, it is called anuloma and viloma. Let's begin. Keep your left hand like this. Touch your first and second fingers and keeping on your left knee. And raise your right hand, fold your second and third fingers, and with your thumb close your right nostril and breathe in through left. Now close your left nostril with your last 2 fingers and open the thumb, breathe out through right side. Now breathe in through right side. Now close your right nostril with your thumb. After holding a little time, open the left nostril and breathe out. This is one round of alternate nostril breathing. We are taking breath in through right side and breathing out through left side, and breathing in through left side and breathing out through right side. That is alternate nostril breathing. This kind of breathing will help you to control your body temperature, and it will help you to maintain your body balance. Let's practice the next kind of breathing exercise, that is called Brahmari Pranayama. In English it is called humming sound breathing. When we are breathing in, we are taking the breath through the nose, and when we are breathing out, we are making the noise of a honeybee or humming sound that will energize your brain. So let's practice. Just close your eyes with your palms and close your ears with your thumb. Then take a deep breath in through nose. After the breath in, close your mouth as well and breathe out only through nose with the humming sound. Let's go for next kind of breathing exercise. That is called pumping breathing. In yoga term, it is called Kapalbhati. The pumping breathing is a kind of breathing which will strengthen your stomach and it will energize your brain, and the Kapalbhati or the pumping breathing is normally called for energizing. Sit in easy posture, always keep your back straight and look straight, and take a deep breath in. When you are taking a deep breath in, you have to make your stomach maximum empty inside. Make your stomach maximum empty inside. Then place your right palm on your stomach and breathe out like a pumping. You have to feel the vibration on your stomach. Breathe out completely. Then take deep breath in. Tighten your stomach and hold it. Count up to 11 in your mind, and after 11 counts, breathe out. This is one set of Kapalbhati or pumping breathing. You can repeat it for 3 times or 7 times. Before we are going to close our yoga session, let's have a meditation. Just keep both hands in meditation sign. Keep on both your knees. Look straight. Always keep your backbone straight. Slowly close your eyes. Concentrate only on your breath. Relax. Make your body and mind complete relax. Take deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Try to remove all other thoughts from your mind and concentrate only on your breath. Relax. After you feel your body and mind is completely relaxed, slowly open your eyes. Come back to easy posture, and you can finish your yoga session.